Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Big Mike here. Hey, today we're in Terrie's kitchen, and everybody knows that we got some ducks, right? Right. I'm talking to Terrie over here. So we got some ducks, 4 khaki Campbell ducks, and they started laying eggs. How many eggs have we got so far? 3?
5.
5 eggs. Ooh. So anyway, today we're going to do a taste test because I've never had duck eggs. So for breakfast, Terrie's going to do chicken eggs and duck eggs. And she's going to see if I can tell the difference between it. Now we did this before with our turkey eggs. And I kind of like the turkey eggs better than the chicken eggs because they felt creamier and lighter and stuff like that. So hey, today we're going to do the same thing but with duck eggs. And some leftover steak from last night that Terrie cooked. Boy, she smoked a good steak last night. So that's what we're gonna do. Welcome to the channel, and let's get busy. Terrie's gonna walk you through it. She won't let me see it, so I can be impartial. That's a good word. That's gonna be my word of the day, impartial. So there we go. So let's get busy, and Terrie's gonna walk you through it, and I'm gonna go in the other room.
All right, guys, so we have duck eggs and chicken eggs. These are the chicken eggs. These are the duck eggs. So I will be scrambling them and we'll see how it goes. All right, first we're gonna crack the chicken eggs. Now we'll do the duck. Now these are our first duck eggs, so they're a little smaller than what a normal duck egg would be. That was the chicken egg scrambled. That's the duck egg. I have 2 pans set up, so we're going to start those. This is the chicken. This is the duck. Both done, and then we'll plate them. I'm not going to say this too loud, but this is the chicken egg, so you see which plate it's going on. And this is the duck egg. Again, different colored plate. Let him add salt and pepper as needed so I don't change the flavors up too much. And I'm going to get his steak and then we'll take this to him and see how it goes.
All right, everybody, I'm ready for breakfast. So I've never eaten a duck egg a day in my life. So let's see what this is. So anyway, I'm having breakfast this morning with corn-fed life. So shout out to corn-fed life. If you're out there and you're watching, this breakfast is for you. All right. Wow.
Did not add salt or pepper. So
All right.
you can add that.
So we got the steak. And we got these. So you know which one it is, right? Oh, let me get this thing straight. There we go. So let's try the red plate first. I like the taste of that. So that's probably chicken egg, right? That's hard to tell. I can't. Is it just me? I gotta try this one again. They're really good. I can't tell. They're really good. I'm thinking this is a duck egg in the blue plate, and the red plate is the chicken egg.
And you would be completely wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
I like the flavor of this one better.
The blue plate was the chicken because I had blue chicken eggs, so I put the, and the red is the duck.
I could have swore that was chicken egg because I like this one better.
You always like the not normal egg.
Well, maybe because I've eaten chicken eggs for so long, but this is really good. Yeah, I like this one better. I didn't know that. I thought that was a chicken egg, but this is. Wow. No, I didn't have them with steak.
You think there's a knife there?
I'm gonna have some duck egg on a piece of steak. Oh my God, that's so good. So there you go, guys. I got a mouthful of food. The duck egg is absolutely better tasting than a chicken egg. And I got it totally wrong. So hey, them ducks better keep laying because Mikey likes the duck egg. So hey guys, I got a mouthful of food. I'm gonna have some good breakfast. Love you guys. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad that, wow. I took too big of a piece of steak. Wow. That was absolutely delicious. So, hey guys, I'm glad you're here. The taste test, I got it totally wrong. But I did love the red plate better than the blue plate. It just tasted a little richer and a sharper of a taste of egg. So, hey, that's what you get for being Mikey. And you got ducks and you got chickens and you got turkeys and you can mix it up. So, hey guys, glad you're here. Be kind to one another, help somebody in need, and always, always think of that. And try some duck eggs. They're really good. And they're good for you. Bye, guys.